What's going on, party people? KOALA FPV here again. So I'm gonna go charge up 2 batteries right now because I think it's gonna be another sweet sunset. So we're gonna test out the DJI O4 Pro again with the goggles 3, see if we can get some cool sunset shots, maybe adjust some settings and try to tweak things a bit there. There's actually a train stuck on it right now. It's not moving. It's just like, I'm hoping my batteries are done charging like soon enough so I can go and fly that. We'll see what happens. I think I just heard their brakes. It was like, I heard that, but who knows? I don't know. Before I go out and fly, when like I'm waiting for my batteries to charge and I know I'm about to go fly, my heart rate starts going up. Doom, 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 doom. I can literally feel my heart rate has like gone up and it's like kind of pounding through my chest. I don't know if that's like either I'm anxious or I'm excited, and maybe that's like pretty normal. It's like, I can't tell if I'm excited or like scared or nervous. It's really weird. It pretty much happens to me before like any flight, especially if it's in like a crazy location I've never flown, or if I'm just like kind of new to the spot. If I don't fly very often as well, I also get like pretty psyched up and like nervous, I guess you could say, or anxious or excited. But yeah, I was just curious like if you guys experience that too. Cross your fingers for me. I hope that that train is still there when my batteries are at 4.2. If my batteries are at 4.2 and the train is still there, that means right now you will see some cool flight footage. Why don't you